Win her heart fast. Proven tricks to get a girlfriend. Ready to win her heart? Let's dive into the top tricks to get a girlfriend, lightning fast. First, confidence is key. Walk tall, smile, and maintain eye contact. Show her you believe in yourself. Approach her with genuine interest. Ask about her day, her passions. Listen more than you speak. Humor is your ally. Make her laugh, but keep it natural. Avoid forced jokes or being overly sarcastic. Dress to impress. Wear clean, well-fitted clothes that highlight your personality. Pay attention to grooming. Compliment her genuinely. Notice the little things, her smile, her style. Authentic compliments make a difference. Show your ambition. Share your goals and dreams. A man with a plan is undeniably attractive. Be kind to everyone. How you treat others reflects on you. Kindness is incredibly appealing. Find common ground. Shared interests create a strong bond. Suggest activities you both enjoy. Respect her boundaries. Never pressure her. Respect is fundamental to any successful relationship. Be supportive. Encourage her pursuits. Celebrate her successes. Be her biggest cheerleader. Surprise her with thoughtful gestures. Small acts of kindness go a long way. Show her you care. Finally, be yourself. Authenticity is your greatest asset. When you're genuine, love will follow. Now go get her.